Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up the Boya WM8 Pro K2 wireless microphone system completely. So let's begin the video. So here I have all the things needed. First of all, here we got our two transmitters and one receiver. We got our windshields, our two lavalier microphones. We need 6 battery cells. So the battery cells are of double A size. These do not come with the WM8 microphones. You need to buy them separately. We got our 3.5 millimeter cable and our hot shoe mount, and that's all what we are going to be needed. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to insert batteries on our transmitters and receivers. So here I have picked up one of the transmitters. So on the right side of the transmitter you got this slot. So all you need to do is to place your fingers in, press it inward, and it will pop out like this. So here on the inside you're going to have the mark where how to place the cells. So this marked as the positive sign is here. So for the positive sign you're just going to look onto your cell, and here you can see the positive sign. So we're going to put this one right here, and the other one will go like this. Here you go. So it's perfectly seated. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to place it in, and we're going to press it until it clicks into its place like so. So you can see that it has perfectly locked itself. So now we're going to do the same for the second transmitter as well. First looking at the signs on the bay and on the cells as well. So these are rechargeable cells because Boya claims that after 6 hours of usage these cells will die out. So whenever you're buying cells for these ones, make sure that you buy rechargeable ones so that you can use them again and again instead of buying new ones. And lastly, for our receiver, looking at the signs, and we're going to pop that in its place as well. So now the second thing what we are going to do is that first of all we are going to configure both the transmitters to the receiver. So in order to power on the receiver, on the right side you got this power button. We're going to long press on it, and here we got our display. Now we are going to power on the transmitters as well. We are going to long press on the power button. It's on the top right side right here. So you need to make sure that you long press on it. If you short press on it, then it will mute the audio. So here you can see the power light, it's blue, meaning that the cells are charged, and there is no less battery. Same for our power as well. So if the power light is red, then it means that you need to replace the cells or recharge them. So the first thing what we are going to do is we are going to take any of our transmitter, and we are going to set up the channel. So you can see that channel A05. So basically this is our transmitter number A, and its channel is set to 5. You can change this channel according to your need. So in order to change it, we are going to press on the set button, and it's going to say press plus and minus to unlock. So we are going to press on the plus and minus button simultaneously, and we are going to hold it until the screen is unlocked like this. So now if I press on the plus button, you can see the channel is changed. So let's set the channel to, let's say, like 8 for example, and we're going to press on the set button. So we're all done for the transmitter A. Now we're going to go on to our transmitter B. You can see its channel is B and its channel is 1. Again we're going to press the plus and minus button simultaneously to unlock. Just to show you, in case if your both transmitters are set to channel A like I just did, so you can change its channel simply by pressing the set button. You're going to hold it, and it's going to change its channel. If both the transmitters have same channel, you need to make sure that one is A and the other is B, otherwise it won't work. And also its channel is 1, channel B is 1, that's one was channel A8, and its channel is 1. And also you're going to see the battery level right here. So let's change its channel to, let's say, 4. So you can set any channel again. So now once we have set the channel of both of our transmitters, now we need to configure our receiver according to the channel. So here if I pick up the receiver, you can see currently it's showing channel A and it is set to 5, whereas on the actual transmitter A you can see we have set it the channel to 8. So we need, which means that we need to change the value of A5 to A8 on our receiver. So first of all we are going to press on the set button. Again we are going to press on the plus and minus button simultaneously and it will be unlocked. Now we are just simply going to press the plus button until we see the channel is 8 on the receiver and the channel A8 is on our transmitter. So when you set them both correctly, you can see that there is a blue light on our receiver. Here you can see A is written on it and it has turned blue, meaning that we have successfully connected through the channel of our transmitter and receiver. So we are going to put the transmitter A aside. We are going to press the set button again. Here you can change the volume of transmitter A as well. So I'm just going to set the volume to 25. You can decrement and increment it according to your needs. So we are going to press on the set button again. It says channel A is on because if you don't want to use your transmitter A, you can set it off, but by just pressing on the plus button it will be set to off, and again by pressing the plus button you can change it to on. So we're just going to set it on for now. We're going to set the button, press on the set button again, and now it's going to show you the channel B, which is currently 1, whereas on our channel B transmitter you can see it is set to 4. So here on our transmitter we're going to go again to our channel B just by pressing the set button. Channel B is 1. We are going to press on the plus button until we see the 4, and now you can see that the B light is also enabled on the receiver, meaning that both the transmitter and receiver have successfully been connected through their channels. Now we can set the volume of B as well. Again I'm setting 25. Channel B is on. If you are going to use only one of them, then you need to disable either A or B. The audio is mono, so we're going to set it to stereo. So you're going to set it to stereo when you are going to use both of your microphones simultaneously. If you're going to use only one of them, then you're going to set it to stereo. So let me go back and set it to mono because I'm just a single person, so I'm just only going to use one channel for this video. If you're going to use for multiple persons, all you need to do is to set the channel beat all you need to do is to set it to stereo. And also I'm going to disable B for now because I'm not going to be using it. So channel B is off in my case, but if you are using it for 2 persons, then you need to on it and make sure that stereo is selected. So once all the connection has been completed, now we can just simply plug the cables in. So first of all what we are going to do is we are going to start with our transmitters. So the process is same for both the transmitters. So I'm just going to use this transmitter. All you need to do is to take one of your lavalier microphone. You can see we got microphone on one side. Here we got some length of a cable, and we got our 3.5 millimeter jack. So here on your transmitter we got line in and microphone. So you need to plug this cable on the line in port. Here as you can see I have connected it, you need to connect it to the microphone, not on the line in. On the line in you are going to connect your headphone. So you can see that I have connected it to my microphone. You are going to twist it so that it takes into place and you don't accidentally pull it out from the place when recording any video, which is good. Now here on your microphone you can also add this windshield if you want, if you're recording outside, but I'm mostly going to record inside the studio, so I'm not going to use it. Also we're going to need this clip as well so that we can clip it with our shirt, etc. All you need to do is to just put it right here, and you need to press it a little hard and it will be snapped into its place like this. So this is a good thing, and the same process will be applied for your transmitter B if you want, but I'm just going to use transmitter A for now. Now for your receiver you're going to use this particular cable that comes with it. So you can see it has the same end on both sides, but on the one side it got its screw, so the screw side will be connected to our receiver. So here you can see line out is written on it on the right side, so we're going to put it here and we're going to rotate the whole thing and it will be locked it into its place as you can see. and now this other end will be connected to our DSLR camera. So before we do that, we are going to invert it. On the back side we got the screw, so for that we are going to use our hot shoe mount so that we can connect it to the hot shoe of our DSLR camera. We are going to rotate it like this, and let's say I'm satisfied here. I'm just going to rotate the second ring and not the first ring. So basically it has two rings. Let me just show you first. So here you can see these two are two individual rings right here, so both of them connect by themselves. So we're just going to rotate it again until it's in the right place. So we're going to loosen it, we are going to tighten it again. So this is all it. So now I'm going to place my DSLR camera and I'm going to show you how you can connect it with your camera. So guys, here is my camera and the transmitter, so we're going to connect it. So if the video quality is a little low, then I'm really sorry because my camera is here right now. So anyways, on the top of the camera you're going to have your hot shoe mount. So what you need to do is just to simply take it and slide this metal in this hot shoe mount like so. So we're just simply going to press it, and then you can just rotate the ring so that it sticks into its place like so. So here you can see it right now. So on the camera you're going to have your mic jack. So all you need to do is to take the cable from your transmitter and insert it in its place like this. So now we're all done for connecting it with our camera. Now what we can do is that we can I can now just show you an audio quality test with and without the Boya wireless system. So this is the audio quality without using the Boya wireless microphone system. So the audio that you are hearing is directly from the DSLR microphone itself. Obviously it's not going to be very good, but this is just comparison. Now I'm going to plug in the Boya wireless microphone system so that you can get a better idea of how their audio quality is. So the audio quality that you are hearing now is from the Boya wireless system, from the Boya WM8 Pro K2 microphone system. So obviously the audio quality will be much better as compared to the past. So why I switched to this one? Well, because before that I used the Boya BYM1 or the MM1 microphone. The problem with them was that they were wired, so I actually had to clip a wire from there, and that the wire would fully run here. So this made a lot of problem due to the long wiring, the stuck, etc, etc. So once those microphones broke, so then I got this wireless one, because you can see now all I have is this clip onto my belt, etc, and all the thing is wireless. I can move easily and all do all my things without the hassle of having the wires on my way. So that's also, here is the audio quality you are hearing. Anyways guys, if you like this full setup video on the Boya BYWM8 Pro K2 series, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.